Cheryl really takes command of the room.
Presentation skills were great. Just really enjoyed being at today's presentation.
Oh, Cheryl's very engaging, and it was very easy to follow what she was explaining. And
very dynamic.
And just the techniques that Cheryl gave us today have given me a foundation on something to build on to help with my emotional well-being.
It was a very enjoyable session. I would definitely recommend it. There was a lot of things that I learned and a lot of things that were very positive.
Some of the discussion, refreshing, new ideas that were brought forth.
I thought, I think I can make that work. I can do that at work.
I'm definitely going to take and use what I learned today.
I like the way that she worked the room. She shifted to parts of the room that were quiet and actually by name would draw them out and into the conversation.
She's got a good style for that, I feel, keeping people engaged. And
so I really respected that, and she just really has this presence in the room that draws everybody in to watch her.
It's a great experience.